Hello guys, welcome to Cooking, and today we are making Malai Burfi. It's a simple and easy way to make with just 3 ingredients. So let's get started. I've kept milk to boil. Once the milk start boiling, add in vinegar to it. We are making chena over here, so I'm adding vinegar in small portion. Once the milk particles are separated and we get a green color liquid on the side, that means our chena is ready. Now I'm going to drain it under cold water, so the taste of vinegar is gone. Once the chena is separated, take a pan, add in the chena in the pan and keep it on high. Now we'll add in the condensed milk. Now the portion over here is, if there is 2 cups of chena, add 1 cup of condensed milk. And mix it well and keep on cooking. Add in the flavoring. Here you can use mango. I'm using cardamom powder. You can use mango, you can use chocolate, you can use kesar. Flavoring is according to your taste. Once the milk is completely evaporated, take a pan, add in some clarified butter to it. Now add in the mixture to the pan and press it down. You can garnish it with some nuts. Keep it in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. Once cool down, cut it into cubes. Now enjoy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know how it turned. Thank you.